6 years ago, Mayor Bowser challenged DDOT to ensure that all roads across the city are all in a state of good repair by 2024. So with the launch of the 2023 paving season, I'm happy to announce that we are very close to meeting that goal. Today, 88% of all district roads under DDOT's jurisdiction are in a state of good repair. Pave DC uses road quality assessments and community requests to first address the streets that are in the greatest need and the highest priority to the community. This process has helped us navigate our way through the most critical repairs and build annual plans that maximize our use of contracting resources and personnel. Pave DC has also improved transparency in our paving program. So you can follow online to monitor our progress across the plan and find out where we're going to be next. You can even find a full list of sidewalks, alleys, and roadway markings listed for completion during the upcoming year.